and welcome to Bill Jacobs Mini. My name is Hannah, and today we're going to discuss how to pre-order your Mini Cooper from the factory. If you haven't already, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future content like this. Let's go ahead and get started. Did you know that in Europe, most buyers have their Mini Cooper made to order from the factory? The Mini Cooper factory order process is easy. It just takes a little time, patience, and a reliable dealer like Bill Jacobs Mini. So how easy is pre-ordering your Mini Cooper from the factory? It takes just 3 simple steps to get the process started. Step 1 in ordering a Mini from the factory is to choose which Mini Cooper to order. MiniUSA.com has a nice build your own feature where you can spec out your next Mini Cooper exactly the way that you want it. Step 2 is to pre-order your Mini at your dealership of choice. We recommend Bill Jacobs Mini. Step 3, your new Mini arrives at the dealership. After your Mini arrives, you will have to complete the paperwork and finalize the purchase or lease. Whether this is your very first Mini or your 5th, you've taken a big step toward an exciting future by pre-ordering a new Mini Cooper. If you're interested in ordering a new Mini from the factory, it's important that you get in touch with a reliable dealership in your area. We recommend Bill Jacobs Mini in Naperville. For more information on how to pre-order your Mini Cooper, visit BillJacobsMini.com. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more information. At Bill Jacobs Mini, the cars bring you in, the experience brings you back.